Certain types of tea, like green tea and black tea, are known for their health benefits. So what about white tea? Like hibiscus tea and dandelion tea, white tea is packed with antioxidants. It's made from the Camellia sinensis plant, the same plant used to make green tea and black tea. It undergoes minimal processing to wind up in your home as a slightly sweet but delicate tea option, filled with polyphenols, catechins and other healing compounds. White tea benefits include the ability to improve oral health, protect brain health, speed fat burning and even kill cancer cells. White tea benefits 1. Provides the body with antioxidants. White tea benefits include the ability to provide the body with disease-fighting antioxidants. The compounds in white tea can help reduce the risk of coronary heart disease, cancer, diabetes and other chronic diseases. Research has shown that compared to green tea, white tea contains a similar level of antioxidants and polyphenols, which work to prevent damage caused by free radicals. 1. 2. Improves oral health. White tea benefits include the ability to improve oral health. The polyphenols and tannins in white tea help reduce plaque by preventing bacterial growth in the mouth. White tea benefits also include the ability to prevent cavities, thanks to the fluoride it contains. 3. Speeds fat burning. White tea benefits include the ability to increase fat burning. Like green tea, white tea contains plant compounds called catechins, which naturally boost metabolism function. Research has shown that white tea extract is able to induce the breakdown of fat cells while preventing new fat cells from forming. 4. May kill cancer cells. Research suggests that white tea benefits may include the ability to kill cancer cells. Thanks to the powerful antioxidants it contains, white tea is considered a cancer-fighting food. According to a study published in Cancer Prevention Research, researchers found that white tea extract was able to kill off cancer cells and stop colon cancer cells from spreading. White tea is at the top of the list of antioxidant, cancer-fighting foods, alongside turmeric, ginger and leafy greens. 5. Improves reproductive health. White tea benefits include the ability to improve reproductive health. Research has shown that white tea can help boost fertility, specifically in men. According to a 2016 study, white tea extract was able to improve sperm quality in animals with prediabetes by restoring viability. 3. 6. Protects brain health. White tea benefits include the ability to protect brain health. White tea contains catechins that protect the brain from damage caused by oxidative stress and toxicity. The antioxidants in white tea can also help improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. 7. Lowers cholesterol levels. White tea benefits include the ability to reduce cholesterol levels naturally. The compounds in white tea improve cardiovascular health by working to lower both total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol. Studies suggest that white tea may be a beneficial diet addition for those who struggle with high cholesterol.